Is that a Bugatti here?
Just floating like this? Never seen anything like it, Mo.
Yeah.
Wonder what's left inside. Look at the algae line.
Look at Joe's parent like stream hatch this race sport race.
Yeah, she's been stuck here a long time. It won't be easy. She still has good bones. Then we save her. It's been sitting here for years.
Yeah, completely abandoned.
Interior looks destroyed. We're going to need a full replacement on these units.
Yeah, the corrosion is too extensive for repair.
Yeah, we need a crane and transport truck. This is happening. You thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, we bring it back.
All right, let's get this thing moving. Ready? Heave! Keep it steady. Got it, almost there.
Lifting straps being positioned. Engine idling in background.
Water splashing. Easy now. Pull steady on the bow line. Got it, countering the swing. Good, ease off, let it settle.
Holding firm, almost there. Copy, securing midsection.
Good, check the bow and stern. All secure, ready to transport.
The rust is worse on the bow. Check the plating.
Yeah, the stern's no better, it's deep. We need to scan the whole hull.
Agreed, I'll log the worst spots.
Metal clinking and screws being loosened.
Look at this wiring. It's completely gone.
Alignment looks good on this seam.
Yeah, but check the bulkhead rivets.
Ready for the new piece?
Yep, sliding it in now. Looks good, clamp it tight.
All right, crane's ready. Lowering now. Guide it in steady. Alignment's perfect.
Ease it down.
Slowly.
Slowly. Bolts ready for securing. Perfect fit.
All right, let's test the hydraulics. Initiating extension. Smooth and steady. Extension complete. Holding pressure. Okay, release the cups slowly. Got it. Applying the sealant now. Alignment is perfect, powering them up. Copy that, looks solid.
The finish is flawless. It truly is a masterpiece. The client will be very impressed.
Straps are tight on this side. Confirmed, all secure. Let's get her to the water.
Sound of water lapping against the new hull.
She's afloat, sitting perfectly on her lines. Look at that shine.
Smooth as silk. You'd never know she was a rusted wreck 6 months ago.
From abandoned to showroom. Another icon saved.
Sometimes you have to see where it started to appreciate where it is now. A true rebirth.
Job well done, Mo.
This one for making me very nice.
She's the queen of the marina now. On to the next one. Legend restored. Bugatti Yacht 01, ready for service.
Hard to believe it's the same vessel. Every detail brought back to life.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for our next project. It's going to be a big one.